Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida, and today I'm excited to bring you a 2020 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Just put this boat on the market. Very nice triple 350 Merc Verados with a joystick. 225 hours on the motors, absolutely loaded boat, as you'll see. As I start out, I'm going to show you up here in the bow. You'll notice the big platform on the front. Under that is the electric anchor windlass. And then as we come down into the cockpit, you'll see details in my photos, but that table goes up and down electrically. Obviously the cushion comes off of there so that we've got a teak table underneath there, and then the seat backs will raise up as well so that we've got kind of a neat place for people to lounge there as well. And then as we come around here to the garage, you've got a nice big pad here. The armrest will fold down as well as the center armrest. And then if we open this guy up, you'll notice inside how neat the storage is. This gentleman's got some great little crates in there to put stuff in. These are racks that will fit in there for tanks, etc. So whether you're heading down to the Keys, just going to go out and go fishing, or boat riding, absolutely a wonderful setup. As I mentioned, we've got a little armrest that'll fold down, as well as the armrest on each side. Very cool. And once again, the backrest over here on this side. As we walk towards the aft, I'm going to see a nice big walkway as we walk under the hardtop here in the helm area. Underneath the helm, we have a refrigerator. And then you'll notice right now I've got the back seat down so that you got plenty of seating there in the aft, as well as the trolling seat on the other side. Obviously both of those will come up and fold away. You can see those in the photos as well. Nice big live well right here on the transom. Blue in color, rounded cover, corners, as well as a light. 350 Mercs we talked about. Right now I've got them in the auto, in the skyhook position, what I call kind of the auto anchoring. Really a neat feature. Got a transom door to walk out to the stern, as well as a shower there to rinse off. But one of the neat features on this boat is we do have the dive door. So that dive door opens, the ladder is stored underneath the aft seat, and we can put that out for divers. We've also got two nice big fish boxes in the floor here. And this boat features the summer kitchen, which I love. One of the great features of the summer kitchen is the Kenyon grill. Kenyon grill really rocks. You're out on the boat, it's electric, put a little water in the pan or some beer for the brats, whatever that might be, it really works well. You'll also notice that I've got the Sure Shade deployed right now. So we've got plenty of shade here in the cockpit area. It electrically retracts back into the hardtop. There's also a shade, a fly for the bow area as well. As we walk up here on the starboard side of the boat, again you'll notice nice big walkway going forward. Up in the helm you've got a radio box up there, which on this boat's great for storage. Dual ray marine screens, which include the fish finder, all of the navionics for navigating, as well as the FLIR night vision system. Our joystick, and as I say right now I've got it in the skyhook position so that we're staying right in place here for our photos. Also notice the triple helm seats. Got the bolsters up on two, down on one. There's also a nice floor here that'll fold up. So if you want to stand up and drive, you got plenty of room to do that. Or if you want to be elevated just a little bit, you have that option as well. More tackle storage under the seat, as well as in the summer kitchen. And as we go over here, you'll notice the entry into the cabin area. This boat really has a very nice proportioned cabin. As I walk downstairs, you'll notice the V-bunks. And then this will fold over so that we've got a nice full bunk area there as well. This area, very, very, very sweet place to spend the time. Also, it is air conditioned. We have a generator on board so that we can run the air conditioner when we're either overnight or on the hook. Nice big head area with a vacuum flush toilet, shower, opening porthole window, and then this will drop down to use for showering and or if you need it as an extra changing area. So as we head back towards the stern of the boat, again, this is a beautiful 38-foot Boston Whaler Outrage available for immediate delivery right here in Fort Myers, Florida. Give me a call. This boat's not going to last long at the price we have it at. The owner's ready for a new boat, a bigger boat, so come on out and check out this Boston Whaler 380.